Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create our own rainbow or rainbow effect on Picsart application. So first thing we're gonna do is have a picture to edit in the Picsart. Sorry. Okay, so I would like to find a picture first on my gallery, and I already found one. And although we already have this picture, we can just take a look on these tools in the bottom line and just scrolling or slide into the left side until we found brushes right here. When you already find brushes, just need to click it and you make sure that on the fourth brush. So the first brush is a pointer, this one is like a strips, and this one is dots, and this one will be a like a cute process, so you will be having access to make this iconic when you start to draw. Since we want to make a rainbow, just click this rainbow here. Now you can start to drawing. You still can adjusting the size of the rainbow first. If you want to make it bigger, just slide into the right side. If you want to make it smaller, slide it into the left side. So the opacity is about the transparency of the rainbow that you want to have. I want to make it a little bit transparent. Okay, and after you're done and finished adjusting the brush, you just need to start drawing. I want to put the rainbow here, so you just need to start drawing. Okay, you can see there is a rainbow over the sky. That's all the way how you add a rainbow on a picture or edit a rainbow on a picture by Picsart. If you find this tutorial is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.